Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming eligibility. You must be an enrolled college or university student. Once done, make sure you're signed into your Apple ID on your device and that the Apple Music app is installed. Next, use your school email or student ID info for verification services. This first step saves time later because Apple asks for proof of enrollment. If you lack a school email, have official enrollment documents ready to upload or reference during the verification process. You choose the student plan in Apple Music and tap to begin verification. Apple uses UNI-Days or a similar verifier to confirm enrollment. Once prompted, log into or create a UNI-Days account using your school email. It will search your institution's records. If UNI-Days can't confirm automatically, upload a screenshot of your student portal, tuition bill, or a valid student ID. Make sure file names are clear and dates are visible so the verification completes without delays. You finish by accepting the student subscription and confirming payment. The discounted rate activates immediately once verification passes. Remember, the discount lasts up to 4 years but requires annual re-verification, so keep proof handy for renewals. If verification fails, try resubmitting clearer documents or use your school email if available. If that still fails, contact Apple support or UNI-Days with your proof. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves mismatches quickly and gets.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.